Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cooking Cheer. It's midweek, Thursday, and I got a cold and kind of sick as a dog, so I wanted something really quick and easy to throw together. So I thought, why not throw together a ground beef potato skillet casserole? So simple to make, so easy, and if you're sick, it's a good comfort food, and it is so good. So let me show you how to do this, guys. All right, we'll just begin here, guys, by chopping up some small yellow taters. Not too thick, not too thin, something like this. And you'll have to excuse my voice, guys. I've been sicker than a dog here. I don't know what it is. I went to the old vet yesterday, and he gave me some amoxicillin, so that should clear it up. But I got something somewhere. I'm not sure what I came across. But anyway, we'll get by today. We'll just chop these into, I'd say, about half-inch pieces, something like that. Next up, we'll just get some oil into a pan over medium-high heat, snag up those taters, and we'll just go ahead and throw them in. Now we'll just go ahead and season these guys up with about, a teaspoon of paprika, and use the smoked paprika if you got it. It's a lot nicer. Some salt, I'd say, about a teaspoon. And, of course, about a teaspoon or two of the old ground black pepper. It's really up to you, salt and pepper them according to taste. Now we'll just fry these up. They won't take very long, for about 5 minutes, until they're basically just about cooked through and fork tender. But these are beginning to smell good already, guys. Wow. And look at that color change just from that paprika. Okay, guys, these taters are looking pretty good here, and they're smelling good too, like I said before. So now they are going right into our casserole dish. Kind of spread this out a little bit. Absolute perfection. Okay, next up, I'm going to grab up an lb or pound of medium ground beef and into the pan with this, again over medium-high heat, and this is the same pan as the taters went into. And we'll just kind of break this up. Still haven't got my breaker upper thingy. And we're going to fry this up until it's pretty much cooked through. So this will take, 5-6 minutes, something like that. Okie dokie, now we're all fried up here. I'm going to go in with half a small chopped onion. And you guessed it, 3 cloves of the old garlic. We'll just stir and saute this for a couple of minutes just so that wonderful aroma of onion and garlic fill the air. And I don't know, guys, about your part of the world, but weather's getting pretty good here. It was about 10 or 12 yesterday, something like that, which is about, 55, 60 in Fahrenheit. And went out there, had a fire. And the leaves aren't on the trees yet, of course, but they're starting to bud. But let us know how things are in your end. Besides the stupid cold, I think once I get rid of my Sylvester Stallone voice here, things should be a lot better. Thinking about doing another house tour now that I've been here a year. So let me know what you think of that. But, weather's clearing up and winter's on its way out. Next up, we're going in with about a 10-ounce can of tomato sauce. Now in with a teaspoon of my all-time favorite, some Italian seasoning. I just love this stuff. It's got everything in it you'd ever want. Maybe just a touch more, something like that. Now a little bit more paprika, just to keep things all paprika-like. A bit more salt, I guess another teaspoon. And some ground black pepper, another teaspoon or two of that too. Give everything a stir together here, and things are just smelling and looking delightful here, guys. I think, anyway. So what we'll do is just let things simmer and percolate here away for, I'd say 5 or 10 minutes. Okie dokie, we are looking pretty good here. So what we're going to do now, guys, is just spoon that mixture over top of those taters. Oh, wowzer. This is going to be absolutely delightful. Sure it won't spill any. And just got to give things a flatten out here. You could even use 2 pounds of ground beef if you wanted to. Make things a little thicker. This is fine for me, but if you were feeding more people, there we go. It's looking good. And you probably already guessed this, my friends. Now we are going over the top with a whole bunch of that ooey gooey mozzarella just to finish things off. Okay, now we're going into a 375 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 15 minutes, just until that cheese melts down. After 15 minutes, we are done, guys, and she is looking mighty fine. Yum. And to make things all pretty like, I'm going to Garnish it up with a bit of parsley here, just for that green perfection. Okay, let's kind of slice this up, guys, and see what we got here. I just let it cool a little bit. I think we'll go right down the center, and then maybe into, I don't know, 3 sections, something like that. And of course, you've lettuce in the fridge a little bit longer. It does set better. I'm hungry, even though I am sick. Alrighty then, let's pull this out, guys. See what we've got. Woohoo! I think this is looking pretty darn good. I'll just go around the back edge here. That's just about like lasagna, isn't that funny? Alright, let's grab some up here, guys. Make sure I get some ground beef and some taters on here. You know, the whole ball of wax. I think this is going to be spectacular. Just look at that. Well, let's give this a taste test here, guys. Amazing, even though I can't taste very well in my cold, it is good. I mean, it's not your Gordon Ramsay 5-star Michelin tire recipe, but it is really, really good. The seasoning on the ground beef, just enough to know it's there. Potatoes are done really nicely, that cheese on it. I mean, for a quick and easy meal, it does not get much better. And if you do decide to make this up, leave us a comment, because I love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. And you know what? I'm going to have more. This is well worthwhile making.